Right. One of my favorite displays is our Birds of Paradise collection. There are 39 species of the birds of paradise, and they're just remarkable birds. So while you're home,
we spotted the rarest bird of paradise, that is the flame bowerbird. The flame bowerbird, Sericulus ardens, is one of the most brilliantly colored bowerbirds. The male is a medium-sized bird, up to 25 centimeters long, with flame orange and golden yellow plumage, elongated neck plumes and yellow-tipped black tail. A male orange flame bowerbird, whilst performing his dance, produces wheezing calls from his throat and pulses his pupil size in an effort to seduce a female.